Hello everyone. Welcome to Sona's classroom. I hope everybody is staying home and being safe and healthy. Today we will be doing adjective. What are adjectives? Adjectives are words that tell us more about nouns. Let's see. Ajwa is a clever girl. What kind of girl is Ajwa? Clever. Clever is an adjective over here. I don't like that boy. Which boy? That boy. He gave me 5 mangoes. How many mangoes? 5. There is little time for preparation. How much time? Little. So if you have noticed, what are adjectives? Adjectives are words that give us more information about nouns. What were nouns again? Name, place, animal and thing. So, a word used with a noun to describe or point out the person, animal, place or thing which the noun names or to tell the number or quality is called an adjective. So, adjectives are words which tell us more about nouns. They describe or, like here, that boy, they point out towards the noun. I hope I have explained the introduction to adjectives appropriately to all of you. If there are any questions, any queries, contact me at sonasclassroom@gmail.com. Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos and share my videos. Thank you.